Hi guys, our next video is about multiplication of fractions. The rules in multiplying fractions is you're going to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominator. So for example, if we're going to multiply a over b times c over d, the result will be a times c over b times d. Let's have some examples. Number 1, 1/4 times 1/2. So the answer here will be 1 times 1 over 4 times 2. So 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 2 is 8. Number 2, so 1/3 times 2/5. So this is 1 times 2 over 3 times 5. 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 5 is 15. Number 3, 3/4 times 1/4. So this will be 3 times 1 over 4 times 4. 3 times 1 is 3 over 4 times 4, 16. Let's have 5 over 6 times 4 over 5. So this will be 5 times 4 over 6 times 5. Now in this example, you can apply here cancellation process. In here we have 5 in the numerator and we have 5 in the denominator. So you can just have, you can cancel 5. This will become 1. This will become 1. And 4 and 6 is also divisible by 2. So we can divide the numerator and denominator by 2. So 4 divided by 2, this will become 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1 times 2 equals 2, and 3 times 1 equals 3. So 5 over 6 times 4 over 5 is equal to 2 over 3. So 2/3 times 1/4. So our answer here will be 2 times 1 over 3 times 4. 2 times 1 is 2 over 3 times 4 is 12. Then this is both divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Okay, last example. So 1/4 times 3 over 7. So 1 times 3 over 4 times 7. So 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 7 equals 28. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.